the second type of product for vectors that we will look at is called cross product. But before we do that, there is a prereq topic that we need to go over. It's called determinant of matrices. So first of all, a matrix is a way of writing a whole set of information in a different format, right? So for example, you have matrix will have, some numbers like this, or so they have different sizes. For example, this is a 2 by 2 matrix and this is a 3 by 3 matrix. They could be rectangular. However, for our purposes, we will not be dealing with rectangular matrices. Since the only thing we need to learn is about determinants of matrices, I'm just going to focus on the determinant. Okay, so we have determinant of order 2 matrix is given by, if I have A1, B1, you don't need the ones. If I have numbers A, B, C, D, what you do is you multiply the numbers on the diagonal and subtract them. So multiply and subtract. So the determinant here is given by AD minus BC. For example, what's the determinant of 1, 2, 3, 7? That's going to be 1 times 7 minus 2 times 3, which is 7 minus 6 equals 1. Next is determinant of order 3. Now this one is defined slightly differently. It's defined using order 2 determinant, right? So here, suppose I have A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, and C1, C2, C3. Then this is defined as, what you do is, we use each one of these and we break the entire thing down into, so we go A1 times, remember the determinant is a number, so A1 times, if you remove A1, right, then this is the part of the matrix associated with A1. So it's going to be A1 times the determinant of B2, B3, C2, C3. Then you're going to subtract A2. Now for A2, their corresponding parts are whatever is not under A2. So this would be B1, B3, C1, C3. And then plus A3, whatever is not under A3, which will be these two. B1, B2, C1, C2. And the 2 by 2 determinants, you already know how to find them. So an example will make this clearer. So I have 1, 2, negative 1, 3, 0, 1, negative 2, 4, negative 3. So first I have 1 times. So you can think of it this way. When you're doing 1, erase out that part, right? So you're left with 0, 1, 4, negative 3. Now, with that done, now you're working with 2. So it's minus 2. And what numbers go in there? Again, think of erasing the numbers that are associated with the 2. So you're left with 3, 1, negative 2, negative 3. And then remove this. Then you have a negative 1. And now hide this. So you would have 3, 0, negative 2, 4. And then this is now 1 times 0 times negative 3 is 0 minus 4, negative 2, negative 3 times 3 is negative 9, minus positive or minus negative 2 makes it positive 2. 3 times 4 is 12 minus 0. So negative 4 minus 2, negative 7 minus 1, 12. And that is negative 4 plus 14 minus 12. That is negative 16 plus 14, negative 2. Okay, so that's called the determinant of these kind of structures, which are called matrices. So that's it for this video. This will recur, this will be used in the definition of cross product, which will be covered in the next videos.